Good morning and welcome to the Supply Chain Academy. We're delighted to see you here.
We've brought along a number of speakers who, again, are experts in the field, but who are sort of debunking the big data notion and talking about what's really happening, and that's complexity.
What we're going to talk about today is the notion of big data, and the literature that we sent out asked the question, is it big data or is it big noise?
We looked at the complexity, speed and volume of data flows, and we saw a disconnect between regulatory and commercial practices. So I'm really talking about complexity of data, complexity of systems, the volume of data, and how those systems and pieces of data aren't really integrated.
We can go to the internet and socialize with more than half of all the people who live on this planet. That's just unbelievable. What I want to show is what complexity is, and in particular, what is complexity of the internet-based global market and how to manage that complexity.
The key point with big data and the complexity in supply chain is that we've been trained for many years to think in terms of reducing the complexity in order to be able to handle it.
Because millions of tiny decisions give you the potential in big data, and this is what we're going for.
We have enough ability to capture the data in individual elements, so we're actually able to transform it into exploitable opportunities.
When you take decisions in real time, it gives you better ways how to operate and to increase your efficiency. This is the future of supply chains, which we hope will come in the nearest future. Yeah, we're developing multi-agent technology for solving very complex problems in supply chain.
It was a really fascinating event. It's such an interesting issue. For me, the real benefit was understanding the changes that are going to be coming into supply chain and adaptive technologies and how this might shape the business operations of our customers.
How did they address the contractual structure with the supply chain?
Some of the concepts that the professor just spoke about really relates back to what I do in my everyday work and what I can take back and talk to my colleagues back at Sainsbury's.
So to summarize.
Yeah, very good. Found it all fascinating for the most part, and very kind of immediately usable.
I quite like the theory, so I found it quite engaging, using complexity to aid decision making and things like that. So for me it was interesting.
There's a good mix of people here from different industries. It's a nice venue, lots of very well organised and very well thought out speeches and presentations.
I hope what they take away is the simple idea that the millions of small decisions is where the opportunities lie for us to actually be able to exploit big data.
I feel here very great atmosphere to share knowledge, thoughts, experience, and to improve your whole business operations.